Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2018 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.